Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'll be talking about how to create your data science portfolio. If you're searching for a job or sending out your resumes to recruiters, you know how important it is to create your own portfolio where you showcase your projects, where you can showcase your work, what you have done. You know, the recruiters always seek what work you have done. If they have a link or something, they can directly check out what models you have deployed, where are your GitHub accounts, what are the projects you have worked on, assignments. If it's good to create a portfolio for yourself nowadays, recruiters are preferring portfolios over resumes. You can promote your portfolio in your LinkedIn, or you can put a link in your resumes. So rather than reading the entire resumes, the recruiter will prefer to click on some link and have a look at your projects. So this is my portfolio. So I've created this page. This is Shaoni Mukherjee. Thanks for landing. So if I click on this Wally, you can see my GitHub repository is there. If you go down, you can see what all projects I've worked on, NLP projects, what are the different healthcare domains I've worked on. This is my master's thesis, Airbnb price prediction, research paper, my resume, and it's a very simple portfolio. So I would share with you guys how to make this portfolio. I'm not a computer science student, so I do not have much experience in HTML and CSS, but yet I was able to create this pretty much good portfolio. So let's start. And let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful, or if you have any doubts regarding it, if you're getting any error. And it's a very simple portfolio creation video, and I'm sure anyone can do it. So first and foremost, I'll let you know what are the softwares that I have used in it. There's not much software which I've used, is only one, which is Visual Studio Code. If you do not have this, I would highly recommend you to go and download this Visual Studio Code. It doesn't take much time, hardly it takes 5 to 10 minutes. It's a very simple software to download. You won't be facing any issues regarding Visual Studio Code. You can just click on the link and get it for yourself. This is the one thing which you need. Next, we'll go into something known as HTML5 up. So HTML5 is a very useful website. I mean, you get all the codes for HTML to build your portfolio. It will be all there. So you just need to download it. You don't need to create any account or anything. So there are few free download themes, like this is the paradigm shift, massively ethereal story. So you can choose any of it. I would highly recommend you choose something which is simple and not something like it should not look like a food blog, or it should not look like some business thing. It should look professional, and it should look like you are a programmer and you are doing data science projects and machine learning projects. Let's choose this hyperspace. So we can just click on download, and you do not need to create any account. As I said, it will get downloaded. So I've downloaded the file, and let's extract it. Okay, we'll rename it as project 2. So these are the few files which is needed. Index is the most important file in this. Go ahead and create our own portfolio. So you have to shift and right click and open with code. As soon as you do that, your Visual Studio Code will open. Yes, and first thing, you need to go to this index.html page. click on that, you get this. Now you can see all the codes written in HTML for creating the portfolio. You can do is you can click on extension, and you can install this live server extension, which is very helpful. It will help you check what is happening in the website, what is happening, what are the changes you are making, if any changes you are making, if it is reflecting there or not. So it will be very helpful if you just install this. Next we'll go to index.html, right click and open with live server. So here you can see the template which you chose is here. Let's make the changes. You can see different tabs are there. We'll see how to make the changes here. So there is this first thing you can see is this hyperspace by HTML5 up. We do not want that, right? I mean, if you're sending it to someone, it will be good if your name is up or something else like my projects, or I would highly recommend your name in this. Change that first. So in this title tag, we can see hyperspace by HTML5 up. Select that and put our name instead. If you're putting your name, put your full name. It looks professional. If you're putting just your Shaoni or any other name, it does not look good. Again, it's personal choice also. I recommend you to have your full name. Let's see if the change is reflecting. Make sure you press Ctrl S to save it. Yes, the change is reflecting, Shaoni Mukherjee. Now the next thing we'll do is, we are not going to change anything here as of now. Let's see hyperspace where it is. So here is the hyperspace. You can mention it as my data science projects. Yeah. Control S. Yes, it is reflecting here, and here is some description about it, so you can write it as check out my work, or this portfolio is dedicated to my data science and machine learning projects. Yeah, let's see. Yes, this portfolio is dedicated to my data science and machine learning projects. So there is a hyperlink here. So what you can do is, instead of projects here, you can just put your repository link here. So we'll go to GitHub. If you do not wish to put your repo link, you can put some other link or some other deployment. If you have done any deployment projects, you can definitely put that. And in HTML up, we'll write projects. Control S. Let's see if it has worked. This portfolio is dedicated to my data science and machine learning project. So there is a hyperlink. Yes, it is working. So here you can show your repositories. So I have released. Okay. We'll remove this and put check out my codes. You can put anything, whatever you want. Creative Commons, I don't want that, so I'm just gonna remove this thing. You're taking care of the tags. This P tag, it was in between A tag or P tag. You're making make sure that you delete the tag accordingly. It's not that difficult. Once you get a hang of it, you will know what to delete and what to keep. Next thing is learn more. So if you're writing any Medium blogs or anything, you can put a hyperlink here, or you can put your LinkedIn link here. So I will do right now is I'll put my LinkedIn link here. Okay, learn more will be my check out my LinkedIn profile, and let's see if this works. Check out my LinkedIn profile. If I click on it, yes, my LinkedIn page is getting open, so it is working. Now the next thing is this one. You can put your projects here. Also you can change these images. So one project which I would like to put up is, let's see what project will be good if I put it up here. Let's put this cab fare prediction AI challenge. We'll copy the link, and in this tag where there is hashtag, we'll just remove it and put the link. Okay, and for images, check out some images from Unsplash. Here you get beautiful images, all are CC free images. You can definitely use it. So something related to cab fare, I'll search if I get something. Okay, so I'll just download it for free. Okay, I downloaded it twice. Now you're gonna get into this project and get into this image folder. Oh sorry, project 2, images, and you can see all the images here. Just copy paste here. And there was some problem with this image, I don't know why. I make sure you use all the CC free images. Just to demo purpose, I'm using this image, and take the name of the image and put it in this image src tag. So here you're gonna put it, Control S, and see, you got the image here. You can put any image, you can put your own project image, or any graphs if you have made, or any plots, anything. And so there is this description, said if some dollar. Okay, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to put my project name. Cab fare prediction, and a little bit about the project, what I have done. So let's see what I have done here. I'll just take this as of now. You can put whatever you have completed or whatever the project was all about. So you can copy paste it here, and so just be careful about these tags. If you are careful about that, then you're good to go. So let's see if, yeah, welcome to cab fare prediction AI challenge. The aim, okay, there is a unnecessary comma here. The aim of the challenge is to predict the cab fare using the given data set. So learn more. Okay, learn more, let it be learn more, and instead of this link, I would like to give my project link. So copy that and put it here. Let's see if it is taking me there. Yeah, it is working. So this is how you can change the page. You can do it according to what you wish. So there is a section where you can put your project. So let's see, let's do that. Okay, this is my next project which I would like to put is about what should I put? Air price prediction. Now I'm gonna take some images from Google. Next, you can change these description as I showed you. What we do again, you can write something about what are my projects about. Control S. You can see what are my projects about. You can write a small description about. Make sure you add some numerical values like I attain accuracy of 85% in a regression analysis. I use random forest or anything which gives some numerical value to the recruiter. They will be more than happy to see that your project has impacted on anything. You can change these, get in touch. All these is not required as of now, so I can just delete this off, or you can keep it if you want. These address you can change accordingly if you want to keep your address. I would recommend you can keep your address, it's fine. You can change your email address. Again, you can put a hyperlink if you want it, otherwise you can just remove it, it's not required. Okay, make sure you check on these small things because sometimes you might get an error, it might not work. So I would highly recommend you to check on these things. Phone numbers, I would not recommend this line, so you can delete it. Social media, again, you can put your Facebook is not needed. GitHub is very much needed. Instagram is not needed, so remove Facebook. Twitter is good. I would recommend if you're writing any articles on any medium or towards data science, you can put those. So you can put the link here, like for GitHub, I'll put my GitHub repository link. Where is it? Oops. So this is my GitHub. You can take the link and copy paste here. Okay. So if you click on GitHub, let's see. Yeah, it's working. Next is LinkedIn. You can change your LinkedIn. So where is my LinkedIn? Yeah. There might be some other ways to do this, but for me it worked. As I said, I'm not from a computer science background student. I do not have much experience in HTML or front-end development. I'm a data scientist, so I don't need front-end development, but it's good to have a portfolio for yourself, and this way worked for me. And yeah, so you can change everything as per your requirements, and you can definitely erase these if you do not want. So there's this one thing which I will highly recommend you to change this. Can you see this untitled all rights reserved design HTML5? So please change it. So this is the thing. You can either delete it, or you can write anything made using HTML, anything made using HTML, or you can just delete off this one. Let's try removing this thing. Yeah, or you can delete the entire thing, which is not needed. I do not want people to know what I've used. Yeah, so it's gone. So this is how you can create your own portfolio. Now let's see how to put it in GitHub and get the link from. So let's click on new. I'll name it as Shaoni.Mukherjee.io. So this will be your website link. Description is optional. We'll click on create repository. Okay, and click on uploading an existing file. So what we are going to do is we are going to drag everything, whatever is there in this. So we are going to drag everything, whatever is in there in this project 2 folder to our this repository. We cannot drag the entire folder here. We can only do it selecting these files. So I'm going to select these and drag this. It won't take much time. So all the files are uploaded here. So I'll just put initial commit and commit the changes. It will again take a little bit of time here, so I'm going to pause the video and come back when this processing is done. So the processing is done. Now we are going to click on this settings, and okay, everything looks good. Change the visibility to public. Make sure you take this, copy paste. I understand. Again, password is needed. Good. Let's go and check out here. Select it to main, save, and you have your page here ready. Link and paste it in our browser. And here we have our very own portfolio which we created. We are getting into our GitHub page. So this is how you're going to create your portfolio. Let me know in the comment section what you think, if you're finding the video helpful, or if you're getting any error. I would definitely be very helpful to get your issue resolved. I'm sure you're not going to get any errors. It was a pretty easy tutorial to make your own portfolio. If you need any professional help And thank you so much, guys, for your time. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be explaining about how to build your own data science resume. It will be again a very interesting video. So stay connected. Thank you so much, guys.